Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another budget-wise tips for beginner artists. So I bought these art materials in Shopee, particularly in Honka Stationery. So this parcel contains brushes, palette, paints, and canvas. And you know the drill guys, right? Please like, subscribe, and share it to your friends for more awesome content. Have you ever wanted to buy canvas but you can't because it's too pricey? So keep watching to learn how to buy canvas in affordable price. So our first set of brushes cost only 59 pesos and it's already an artist grade brush. This set contains angular, flat, and round brush. Moving on to the next set of brush that only cost us 40 pesos. It's a 6 round brush with different sizes. Now to the paints, we have white and black, contains 120 ml, but just 50 pesos each. I also bought a palette that cost me only 39 pesos. And last but not the least, I bought an 8x8 canvas for kids. Yes, tama po kayo ng rinig, for kids. Now you might be wondering, why for kids? Eh may sulat yun. Doon na po papasok yung budget-wise tip in buying an affordable canvas. If you buy a blank 8x8 canvas, it will cost you 75 to 90 pesos. Unlike the kiddie canvas that I bought, it cost on 65 pesos. And that canvas comes with paints and little brush. So basically speaking, the only difference is the other one has lines and the other is blank. So why did I recommend you to buy this kind of canvas? First of all, it's because of its price. And the second one is, when you paint on it, the lines won't show in your art. So why bother buying a blank canvas that is so pricey? If you're just a beginner, these types of canvas is perfect for you. Right now, I'm just covering the lines with white paints that comes with it. But then again, this is all just tips. If you still want a blank canvas, then so be it, go buy it. This is just a mere tip coming from an artist that likes to budget her art materials and save more. By the way, there's a lot of sizes in kiddie canvas that you can buy. Just pick whatever size you think that suits you. Please comment if there are tips that you wanted to know or questions you wanted to ask. And I will answer it and try my best to guide you in your art journey, though in budget-wise way. If I made my point now and you understand it very well, please like, share, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!